Techno Industrial Products offers 2012 series flange end two-piece ball valves with ISO 5211 mounting pad and SS304 material. All valve of these series are manufactured as per ASTM B16.34 standard. Flange standard is ANSI B16.5. Face-to-face dimensions are as per ANSI B16.10. And we are committed to provide best quality at affordable prices. These valves are widely used in high-quality, demanding industry such as pharma, dairy, edible oils, sugar, paper, etc. Heavy-duty industrial boilers and dryers, HVAC system, compressed air and gas systems, and pneumatic fixtures, etc. And much more you can think of. Image shows working of the ball valve, which is opening and closing with the help of a handle attached to it. These valves have ISO 5211 mounting pad, so they can be used both by handle and with pneumatic or electric actuator. Available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.